In this video, I'm comparing some Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby items that look very similar, and then sharing some new Valentine items that I picked up. Welcome to my channel. My name is Leah, and this is Junkernecker DIY, where I share new budget decor videos every week. Here you'll see things like Pinterest projects, thrift flips, Dollar Tree DIYs, trash to treasure crafting, and the occasional shopping haul. If those things interest you, please subscribe. This video is going to be short and sweet. I saw these at Hobby Lobby for $5.99. I picked up one at Dollar Tree, and I'll show you in just a minute. Didn't film all of their Valentine stuff. I really was rushed to get out of there as soon as possible. I also saw these heart lights. I bought identical ones at Dollar Tree last year. There's some glitter foam hearts. I didn't get the price of those. This glitter vase filler is $4.99. I picked up mine at Dollar Tree, pictured here. And here is my book stack that I got at Dollar Tree. Now, I don't have a Dollar Tree comparable on these ceramic trucks that are $7.99, but Dollar Tree has had them in the past. Maybe not with an open bed. If you've picked up a Dollar Tree truck, let me know if the bed's open like that, so you could put candles or something in there. Gnomes. Dollar Tree always has some sort of gnome, don't they? This ceramic gnome was $7.99. At half price, $4. I'll rather go to Dollar Tree and pick up 4. Here's the plushie gnomes that I bought this year. Now, galvanized hearts with another heart on top of it. Their price, $2.99. Here's the ones that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm not going to make you look at all the Valentine stuff they had because it was quite a lot. I just wanted to compare some things. The Be Mine sign, vintage looking, so stinking cute, but I will wait till it goes half price if I go and get it at all. Okay, there's a little wooden truck on a hanger. These that look like vintage Valentines, $2.99. Stinking cute. I could see those on a tiered tray if you put a stand on it. Next, there's a kissing booth sign. I didn't get the price on that, but I believe it was $2.99 as well. And then the envelope, they have both of those at Dollar Tree. Here's the kissing booth sign that I got. Now, do you see those block signs that are the bottom right corner? Dollar Tree has those. Not exactly the same. Excuse me. But here's the comparable that I got at Dollar Tree. That's about it for today, ladies and gents. If you want to stick around and see what Valentine items I got at Dollar Tree, as well as some 75% off from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, stick around. And I'll do a walkthrough at the 75% off at Hobby Lobby. Okay, just quickly, I'm going to give you another view of the ones that I had pictured in the video so you can see how wide they are. That's about 12-inch sign. Oh, more than that. Oh, 13, 14. Anyway, I noticed that the pictures didn't show up very well. Hobby Lobby had these hearts and these glitter vase filler. Now, their packages at Hobby Lobby are a lot bigger, but still, for the price, I'll just go to Dollar Tree. And there's my gnomes. Gnomey gnomes, and then the gnomes on a metal heart. They do have different styles of these, but I just picked up the gnomes because that's what I'm decorating with for Valentine's Day. And so, let's get into the other stuff I got. I haven't seen anybody haul this. This is gorgeous. It's kind of an off-white, pink, and red. Look at that. Different size pearlescent beads. Those are so cute. And I picked up some conversation hearts. They don't have the print on them like they used to. They used to look like they were stamped on with a ink of some sort. This has just got the words pressed onto the hearts. Anyway, you either love them or hate them. I love them. But I also love black jelly beans, dark chocolate, and candy corn. So there you go. Dollar Tree has some hearts that are already decorated. It looks like they made wood grain look, but it looks so unrealistic. So I just got the wood. I'll paint it whatever colors I want. Stain it, I should say. Not Valentine related, but look at this. So cute. I haven't seen anybody with those yet. And I think that's about all of that Valentine stuff. Nope, got some more. I got a candle for a project. And I didn't have this color of chalk writer. And it's going to be great for Valentine's Day. Pretty hot pink. One of my favorite colors. I got the filigree hearts and some with just a heart stamp in the middle. And then I got 3 of these block hearts. About a ½ inch. I think they're pretty cute. Now for clearance at Dollar Tree. I got 2 packs of gingerbread men. I got a couple of snowflake ornaments. 75% off, y'all. If you hadn't been, you better go grab this stuff. Some green fairy lights. Bag of pine cones and a glitter leaf. And these Christmas ornaments. I don't know if somebody stuck that in there or did they have them displayed like that in the store this year. Anyway, 25 cents. Can't beat it with a stick. Now, the clearance stuff that I bought at Hobby Lobby. Oh baby, low baby. Look at this cookie cutter. It's a giant cookie cutter. I think it's supposed to be an ornament. It says Christmas party cookie cutter, but I've never seen a cookie that big. Anyway, it's going to be a Christmas ornament. I'm going to put the date on it in vinyl and give it to my sister because we exchange ornaments every year. I got these. 75% off, $3.99. How many? 20 pieces. 20 snowflakes in there. And they're not just paper. They're pretty substantial. One more thing that I picked up is this snowflake that says so and so many days until Christmas. Very cute. Now, if you want to stick around for the walkthrough of the 75% off aisles at Hobby Lobby, I'm going to put that up next. If you're about to leave, I'm going to say bye-bye for now.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you want as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you feel as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. much better. You deserve much better, and I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself, finishing races I'll never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself, keep on telling myself, don't rush, crush, don't worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush, need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush, it's a little crush.